Introducing Westgate's Smart Lighting Control Module and Smart Lighting Control Wall Switch. These products can be used over a Wi-Fi network or paired via Bluetooth, using Westgate's Smart app on your iOS or Android device that is even compatible to be used with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, right from the comfort of your office or home. To set up, simply pair your Westgate Smart app with your control module or switch. Then you are ready to control your lighting using your smartphone. Effortlessly control your lights, turn them on and off, and change the brightness right at your fingertips in the Westgate Smart app. Another great feature of the Westgate Smart app is the ability to schedule when your lights turn on and off by setting event times inside the Smart app. To learn more about Westgate's Smart Control Module and Switch, or about the dozens of other industry-leading products we carry, visit the links down below.